Samsung, one of the world's largest smartphone manufacturers, has manufacturing facilities in several countries around the world. The specific locations where Samsung phones are manufactured may change over time due to a variety of factors, including manufacturing cost considerations and supply chain management. The countries where Samsung has smartphone manufacturing facilities are Korea. Samsung is headquartered in Korea and has manufacturing plants there. High-end Samsung smartphones, such as the Galaxy S and Note series, often have production facilities in South Korea. Vietnam. Samsung has established a significant presence in Vietnam through several manufacturing plants. Most mid-range and budget smartphones are manufactured in Vietnam. China. In the past, Samsung had manufacturing facilities in China for smartphone production. But the company has moved some of its production out of China in recent years. India. Samsung also has a manufacturing plant in India and produces smartphones for the Indian and global markets. These facilities contribute to Samsung's Make in India initiative. Brazil. Samsung has manufacturing facilities in Brazil for the production of smartphones, primarily to serve the South American market. United States. Samsung does assemble some of its smartphones in the United States, although it is not a major manufacturing hub. FAQs about where Samsung phones are made. Where are Samsung mobile phones mainly manufactured? Samsung mobile phones are mainly manufactured in several countries, including Korea, Vietnam, and India. Are Samsung's high-end phones manufactured in Korea? Yes, many high-end Samsung smartphones, such as the Galaxy S and Note series, are often manufactured in Korea, where the company is headquartered. Which countries produce mid-priced Samsung mobile phones? Vietnam is an important manufacturing hub for mid-range Samsung smartphones. India also plays an important role in producing these devices. Does Samsung Electronics have manufacturing facilities in China? Samsung previously had manufacturing facilities in China, but has moved some of its production out of the country in recent years. You can choose a location that offers cost-effective production and efficient distribution. Are Samsung phones ever assembled in the United States? Although it is not a major manufacturing hub, Samsung has done some smartphone assembly in the United States, especially for certain models. Does Samsung have a Make in India plan? Yes, Samsung has a Make in India initiative to manufacture smartphones in India for the Indian and global markets. Can the manufacturing location of Samsung phones change over time? Yes, the manufacturing locations for Samsung phones may change over time due to a variety of factors, including changing production demands and cost considerations.